Hello children, hope you are in good health and vigor. In the first video of this chapter, Cleanliness, Health and Hygiene, you have learnt about the simple ways to keep yourself clean. You have also been told about the types of food you need to take for your good health and proper growth. Continuing from here, we will talk about two things mainly. One, the various other ways of taking care of our body. Two, the ways of maintaining the cleanliness of our surrounding. So let us start. Apart from taking healthy food, I would like to tell you that drinking plenty of water, taking proper sleep, exercising regularly, and playing games are a must to keep our body fit and fine. Let's discuss these points one by one. Drinking plenty of water. By drinking plenty of water, what do we mean? Well, it all depends on the individual's body weight. Generally speaking, we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. This helps in maintaining our body temperature and keeps our body hydrated. Then comes giving rest to our body. We must go to bed on time and get up early in the morning. A sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours a day is adequate for our body. Proper sleep helps our body to relax and regain energy. During rest and sleep, our body cells get repaired and our efficiency to work is regained. Next comes exercising regularly. Regular exercise keeps us fit and healthy. It tones up our muscles. It strengthens our heart and improves our blood circulation. The increased blood flow raises the oxygen levels in our body. This helps lower the risk of heart diseases. Last in the sequence is playing games. Playing games keeps us fit and strong and also makes us feel happy and relaxed. Playing outdoor games like cricket, football, volleyball, and indoor games such as chess, carom, and ludo are very good for our physical and mental health. We should avoid watching too much of television or playing games on mobile phones and computers as it does no good to our body and mind. Moreover, this can harm our eyes and backbone, to name a few. The next topic of our discussion is cleanliness in our surrounding. We must keep our surrounding clean to stay healthy. Keeping the surrounding clean ensures that the plants and other animals have optimum conditions for them to coexist and therefore provide us with all that we need from them. Polluted and dirty surroundings can make us sick. To keep our surrounding clean, we must develop various practices such as proper disposal of garbage, not spitting here and there, very less or no use of plastics, and plantation of more and more trees. Let's come to them one by one. The first one is proper disposal of garbage. Throwing garbage on roads and streets result in a very bad smell and become a breeding ground for flies, mosquitoes, and other disease-causing germs. Garbage thrown into rivers, ponds, and other water bodies pollutes water and makes it unfit for drinking. So, we should not throw garbage here and there carelessly. Instead, a proper disposal method must be adopted. Like wet and dry garbage must be dumped in different bins. Recyclable and non-recyclable garbage must also be separated. Once the garbage is collected in the litter bins, we must make sure that it is disposed of properly at specified places. Empty litter bins in our homes must be washed and dried before using them again. Do remember, regular and proper disposal of waste is a must. Next comes one of the most important of all points, spitting. Spitting is a bad practice. It makes the place filthy. The spit may also contain or attract germs and becomes a source of infection. The transmission of many contagious diseases takes place through spitting. So, one must never spit on roads, pavements, gardens, or any other public places. Also, we must stop or reduce the use of plastic bags. Plastics spoil the beauty of the place where they are thrown. Plastic bags do not decompose and cause pollution. They clog water drainage systems. They are harmful to human health as well as to wildlife and marine life. Birds, animals, and marine life often mistake the plastic bag and other plastic materials for food and consume them. This may cause health hazards and sometimes even death when there is congestion inside a body organ. Burning plastics produce toxic gases. So, we must develop a habit of carrying a cloth or jute bag every time we go out shopping. And the last one is planting trees. Planting trees can also improve our surroundings. Plants produce oxygen and make the air fresh and clean. So we must plant more and more trees in our surroundings. Our government has also taken a lot of initiative in making people aware of the importance of cleanliness. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant cleanliness campaign by the Government of India that was officially launched by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 2nd of October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi, in order to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean India. With this, we come to the completion of this chapter as well as the portion for the first term. Do read the chapters thoroughly and learn to answer the questions given in the exercise as well as those in the practice papers. We are uploading the answers to all the questions related to this chapter along with this video. Do refer to them whenever you need. Happy learning. Thank you.